don't do that. Hi everyone, Mark Williams here with another handyman tip for you today. We are going to be changing out the door handle, knob handle. Is it knob or handle? What does the package say? Are they door handles or knobs? I don't know. We're going to be changing this out today. What we're going to be doing is changing them from the current model to one that actually allows you to unlock it from the outside. We're doing this because we have to, but it's also a good idea, especially for kids' rooms, which is this one. So what I think we're going to need is a screwdriver. Not that one. That'll work. This should be the only tool, but hey, you know, things have a way of not turning out that way. So what we did is we went to Lowe's and we found a cheap thing, handle, knob, whatever we're calling this. First thing you want to do is take off the old one, because it's much easier to put on a new door handle when the old one's not there. So what we're going to do is unscrew everything and just rip it apart. And we're already stuck. We have an extension somewhere. That's not good. At this point, it might be a good idea to get a little extension. But I don't even know. Actually, I got this cool little doohickey. I don't know what it does. I don't think it works. Okay, let's try this again. So, as you might know, if you've watched our channel for any amount of time, we are going to be fostering. So this is one of the reasons why we're doing this. Last time I had to do a repair or an update for fostering. It didn't go so well. You can watch that up here. Alright, I think we've got it. Does that look good? I don't know. We'll see if it works. Hey! It's a really long screw. I don't think it's doing anything. So once the screwdriver doesn't work anymore, just use your fingers. Why not? There we go. Come on! Then you just tear it apart, I think. Hopefully that's what you do. Now you have a nice open hole for our new things. Uh-oh. Where does this go? I think it's this way. So, shove that in there. Look at that, it fits. That means, I don't know if these are universal or not, but these two work. Also want to make sure the lock is on this side. And then stick the pointy end through this hole on this side until it clicks. And then you want to match it up with the supplied bolts there in there somewhere. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We gotta screw these in. Okay, skip step that. Was that step 5? I don't know what step I'm on. Now you want to screw this part back in again, so it doesn't get throw it off. Looks good. Okay, hey, this isn't too bad. Then you want to line up the holes again. Find the bolts. And missed it again. Missed it. Don't do that. Hold both sides. I did. Is this supposed to be that gap? Okay, well, I don't think that's how that's supposed to be. Oh, there it goes. There we go. See? So that wasn't too bad. First, make sure you got it nice and firm together there. It doesn't separate again. Align that bolt. Woohoo! Okay. Then you take your other bolt. Where'd it go? There it is. And then you take the other bolt, and you're halfway there. You're almost done. And there we have it. We've got our door handle. Locks. Unlocks. Now the real test. Is to see once it's locked. I can get in with the screwdriver. Alright, it's locked. I can't get in. Voila! And just like that, we have replaced our door handle knob thing. We're going to do that again on the other door, but now that you know how to do it, you can replace your door knob handle things at your house. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment what other videos you want to see. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you again next time. Wow, I'm surprised that worked. If you're wondering what's next for the Williams family, please click the subscribe button on the left of the screen.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and leave a comment down below.
If you really like this video, check out some of our other videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye!